Hello again, another tech tip video from United Computers. So today I want to talk about Windows updates, specifically Windows installing Windows updates when you turn your computer on. You come home, you turn your computer on, everything boots up just fine, you look at your screen, and then you see something like this. Now what I have here is an image, this isn't the real thing, but it'll look something like this. Windows is saying it's updating, it's going to take a while, and it says do not turn off your computer. Now I get it, you come home, you want to use your computer, you don't want to wait, but I implore you, please let it finish. Reason being, one, it needs to finish or else your computer won't turn on properly. Two, if you interrupt that update, there's a good chance you're going to corrupt your version of Windows and then your computer won't turn on again. And then you have to see a specialist to get it repaired. Now, I know it says it's going to take some time, so leave it be, go do something else, dishes, chores, laundry, whatever. Mind you, if it takes more than, I'll say 2-3 hours, then turn it off, try it again. If it doesn't work, then I highly recommend bringing it to a specialist, because then it's an actual issue, it needs to be repaired. Alright, so I hope this is helpful to some people. I know it sucks, I'm sorry, but have a good night guys, take care.